All right, we got the green light.
Boy, this has got to be my favorite song ever.
Are you all singing a cover or original for us?
It's a cover.
All right.
It's a cover.
Definitely
This is a jazz standard that was written by a rocker. This was written by, who was that guy again?
Leon Russell.
Leon
that guy.
Russell.
Made famous
Who I
by
never
George
heard of
Benson.
until I met Walt. Sorry.
Well, this is exciting.
I know the George Benson.
Love Leon Russell.
So anyway, it's usually done as a solo, but now we're going to do it as a duet. Last month or a month before we came here and did Cry Me a River, and so we were basically really in conflict with each other. Now we're just confused about what's going on.
All right. Well, let's do it.
The
Let's
story.
rock and roll. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lori Monroe and Walt Klappert.
One, two, 3, 4. Are we really happy here with this lonely game we're playing?
Looking for words to say.
Searching but not finding understanding anyway.
We're lost in a masquerade.
Both afraid to say we're just too far away
From being close together from the start.
We tried to talk it over, but ill words got in the way.
We're lost inside this lonely game we play.
Thoughts of leaving disappear every time I see your eyes.
No matter how hard I try
To understand the reasons that we carry on this way.
we're lost in a masquerade.
Take it, Dennis. Both afraid to say we're just too far away
From being close together from the start.
We tried to talk it over, but the words just got in the way.
We're lost inside this lonely game we play.
Thoughts of leaving disappear every time I see your eyes.
No matter how hard, no matter how hard I try. Whoa, I don't know what to do.
Understand the reasons that we carry on this way.
We're lost in a masquerade.
We could just start over, but it's so hard to do.
But we're lost
Beautiful duet by Laurie Monroe and Walt Klappert. Thank you guys so much.